It's great to be here at Elnor Primary School, introducing the students in Key Stage 2 to debate, and I can tell already that they're very promising, very talented.
If they're the ones who are being taken, it's obviously their life, not yours.
As we all know, winning a debate for the sake of winning is not what it's about in the real world. For us as Muslims, it's about the truth. It's about saying what is right and doing so eloquently and getting other people to believe that and to understand that. So for us, it's not about winning debates, it's about projecting the truth, promoting the truth, about helping the weak, the vulnerable, about being the voice for the voiceless, and about working with others for the common good.
If they don't understand the work that they do in school, how are they meant to understand it at home?
And when they research, it will tell them all the facts they need and they can learn about it.
Outstanding! All the winners of the Key Stage Trophy. Well done.
Say, everybody?
Congratulations.
MashaAllah. Today, these skills that you have learned, I am sure, because you've all shown me today that you're incredible children, that you will take on, you will learn from this and move forward, inshallah.